Traditional long-form multiplication requires significant working memory. When problems grow in size, the standard method often breaks down into a slow, high-friction process. This difficulty is especially clear when multiplying multi-digit numbers by 111. Stacking shifts and managing carryovers for several rows creates numerous opportunities for simple calculation errors. The sandwich method acts as a structural bypass to this friction. It replaces the traditional multiplication steps with a specific sequence of single-digit additions. By mastering this system, you can resolve a 6-digit multiplication problem using a predictable framework that remains consistent regardless of the number size. Rapid calculation is less about raw mental power and more about identifying and using algorithmic shortcuts built into base 10 arithmetic. The first step of the method involves encapsulating the target number within a set of artificial boundaries before starting the addition. To do this, place exactly 2 zeros on the far left and 2 zeros on the far right. Using 432 as an example, boundaries lock it into 00,43200. This is necessary because we add digits in groups of 3. Padding ensures every original digit is included in the correct number of groupings. By padding the equation this way, the multiplication problem is converted into a linear sequencing task. To execute the calculation, you must work strictly from right to left. Starting right, 2 plus 0 is 2. Sliding left, 3 plus 2 plus 0 is 5. Next, 4 plus 3 plus 2 equals 9. Moving left, 0 plus 4 plus 3 is 7. Lastly, 0 plus 0 plus 4 is 4. Result, 47,952. Working from right to left ensures that each digit is processed in its correct place value, reducing the chance of alignment errors. If a 3-digit group adds up to a number greater than 9, we apply a standard carry rule. Let's pad 589 to 00,58900. Grouping right to left, the first sum is 9. The next totals 17, right 7, carry the 1. The third sum is 22, plus the 1 makes 23. Right 3, carry 2. Resolving the remaining groups with their carries yields 65,379. The carry rule allows the sandwich method to maintain consistency with base 10 arithmetic, even as the numbers become more complex. While adding more digits to the starting number increases the number of steps, the complexity of each individual addition remains the same. Applying the algorithm to a 5-digit number like 56,789 shows that the process is repeatable regardless of length. The right-to-left grouping pattern generates the correct answer of 6,303,579 using the same basic steps. Now that you understand the mechanics, test the system yourself with these escalating problems. Pause the video to solve the final challenge. Use the padding and grouping rules to verify your answer. This structural framework for 111 is also the foundation for multiplying by 222, 333, and 444, which we will cover in the next video. Mathematical fluency relies on identifying and manipulating the patterns within numbers, providing a more efficient alternative to the simple memorization of tables.